I have a summer salad for us. 2 handfuls of arugula, or 1 handful of spring mix and 1 handful of arugula, or just 2 handfuls of spring mix if you don't like arugula, you decide. 1/3 cup of quinoa, 1/3 cup of chickpeas, 1/2 cup of diced cucumber, 1 large green onion, I use the green and the white parts, 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado depending on your hunger level. I'm going to use 1/4 today. 1/2 of an orange, just cut into small fragments. 1 diced garlic clove, you can also mince it, but I just chop it, it's easier. 1/2 of an orange squeezed in. 1/2 of a lemon squeezed in. 1/2 of a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. It adds an Asian flair. 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts. Makes it extra pretty too. 3 large mint leaves that I just cut into ribbons. I've been using extra herbs lately. And that is it. I am excited to eat. I hope you make something similar or the exact same one and really enjoy it. Once you mishmash it all together, season to taste with salt and pepper.